Okay, welcome back. And yeah, we're just gonna continue with the stuff that we were doing in last video. We're getting, I don't know why I'm starting to say we're getting close, but we are getting close. But right now we have some to-dos that are like urgent. So I was thinking about this when I couldn't sleep this morning because I was like excited about getting to work about this. But now I need to remind myself what the to-dos are. So we need to run a few calls. So right now I have 3 users because I have one on my phone here and then I have one on the iPhone, and then I have another one on the iPad. We're going to actually run it on the iPad. Again, so that we have everything that we did yesterday. So what we need to do is we need to see what happens if one person, or if I join the call thing, so they're searching for a partner type of, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but if I press the start connection button, I will be looking for another person that's available. And what we haven't tested yet is what if there are multiple people available at the same time. So we need to test that by having 2 female users here that are going to be online. We're going to actually change some things here. So change her name to be Gladwin. I don't know if that's even a name, but I'm sorry if your name is Gladwin. But we're going to update the profile picture to this thing instead. So we just see that there is some difference here. So they're looking for men, they are a woman, save. Gonna have a look here. Man, woman, good. Then what we need to do is we also need to go to the SQL, and then we need to reset our users. So we have everything reset. Okay. And now let's just write down the specific things that we need to do. So this one. So we need to try a lot of things now. We need to see what happens when you press leave call. Okay, let me think. So when the other person presses leave, so I believe that those are all of the things that need to be done, or that need to be tested. So I'm going to record my screen. I've done this before and I've never remembered to put it in the video, but I'm going to try to remember to put it in the video today. And we're going to do not disturb so that we don't get notifications at the same time. All right. So we have a few tests here that we need to do. Okay. So these users, these are the girls, they're going to enter into the connection thing. They obviously don't get connected with each other, but now we're going to try to connect here and we're going to see which one do we get connected with. Fuck, I don't remember which one I pressed first. Maybe it doesn't matter. Okay, and now, wait, let me turn the volume down just so that I don't get distracted. Right, now we're going to try to see what happens if I press leave here. So if this user presses leave, then what should happen is we should get connected with this user. So leave. And we do get connected. That's, I was worried about that because that is the main feature of the app. That's how it's supposed to work. We did get connected to this one now instead. Perfect. Now we're going to clear the users again so that hopefully, I don't know if this is going to work, but hopefully when this timer runs out, we're gonna, if we press start connection on this one, then when the timer runs out here, we should get connected with this person again. If God willing, or whatever you say. So yeah, now we wait. Realize that while I wait, I might as well read. Try to use my time. Shogun or Shogun, I don't know how you say it. James Clavel, in case you're interested. Okay. That's okay, it doesn't really matter. I don't know why I tried that even. But we did get connected again, but we did get connected with the same user, which isn't really what we're supposed to do. So But that's because I deleted everything from the database, so there was no restrictions on anyone, which I think just added a bug that I hope isn't a big deal in reality. I think it's just one of those edge cases now because of how everything was sort of set up. I think what happens is that there was no restriction on the call with the two that were just in a call. So when they just entered out of it, they both ended up in the queue at the same time, or like maybe, I don't know what happened, but I think it's a possibility that there could have been a 50-50 chance of this user ending up in a call with either this person or this person. And if the 50-50 chance happened to turn in favor of this person, then that might be the case. I don't know. So the other user presses leave. We've tried that. Okay. Now start connection. And okay, so we started with this one. Great. Now if I press next here, yeah, I want to skip this person. Then I end up in the queue again, and then we end up in a call together. Perfect. So then they press skip as well. And we left the call and we don't get connected with anyone. Good. So this has been taken care of. Run the cleanup. Timer runs out with no likes. We've tried that. I press next. We're going to try that now. Why don't they get connected now? Okay, so now we're going to see what happens if I press next. Okay, I do get connected with this person. So now we're going to like them, and they're going to like me, and then they're going to press next. Okay, and we do end up with a match, so that's good. That means that we don't add a dislike, I don't think. We do add one dislike, but that is to 63C. So which user is that? 63C. That's good. That's what should have happened. So that's perfect. Okay. We'll run the reset users again. And now we'll see what happens when the time runs out here. Because now we've set sent likes, so yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, and they get connected, and then we're gonna like, and then we're gonna leave. Go out of this stuff, and we'll see that we have a match here, we have a match here, and on this side we have two matches. Okay. So I press next works, and the timer runs out. All right. So this means that pretty much everything that we want to have working works. Now we just need to make sure that the tester, the Apple tester, the person that is going to test the app, is going to be able to actually test the app. So first of all, well, I'm going to record that video now, because I can record not right now, but like sometime now, or after I've finished filming this video. And the idea is that I can screen record this device and do what I've done with you guys now, and basically just show them like, this is how the app works. It's not a copy of Tinder. It's not a template dating app that I've just pushed to the App Store. It is something unique. I think it is something unique. The only thing is we might need some way of handling this thing. Like if you're waiting here for someone to connect, I mean, I can't imagine the fact that they waited or had the screen running for like 45 minutes and thought that this would disappear, but I don't know. But we might need some sort of prompt to the user, something to say like, hey, if you, or hey, I'm sorry, there's no one online right now. Do you want to come back later, or do you want to stay on this page? And just to kind of give them the option, I guess. I think that's a good thing to do, because obviously even the tester didn't understand, so that might be a good idea. I don't really know what the industry standard way of doing this is, but my thinking is that we might have a message that comes up like, hey, unfortunately, no one else is online right now. Do you want to keep waiting or come back later? And if they press come back later, then they'll get popped out to the home screen. Oh, I should have said that. Let's try it out. Wait 30 seconds, and then we should get some sort of pop-up message. I feel like it's been, no, that's the attention span I have. No one available. Unfortunately, it seems no one else is online right now. Would you like to keep waiting or come back later? Come back later. Okay, that's good. We end up here again. I want to see what happens if we press the other button. All right, run it again. And now we want to see what it looks like. No one available. Unfortunately, it seems no one else is online right now. Would you like to keep waiting or come back later? Come back later, and we end up here. Okay, so that means that we've taken care of a waiting to connect. Okay, so that's good. Now we do a git and then we have to archive the app again and send it back up to Apple. And then the next thing is just how the, I don't know, how do you get the, how do you fake users without faking users? Create a picture of attractive female. We need pictures, obviously, of these people. So we'll save and create one. And they all need to be women. They don't need to be women, but I'm going to assume that the tester is a man, and it doesn't really matter if they're a man or not. I'm going to explain to them that they have to act as a man in order for this app to work for their test. And I believe maybe we want like 10 users. And I'm just completely making this up. But I'm assuming that if we have 10 users, then they can kind of test the app and get an idea of what it would look like, or it would be like. Create another one and make the woman look a lot different. How many have we done? We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 2 more. Again. Okay, this is done, which means that we can go to this thing, and we can add a new one. Open and deliver. Save again. So now let's see how many we have. Downloads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need one more. Oh, is she is she burning? There's like smoke coming from her head. I don't know why I thought that was funny. I just thought it was funny. So where did you go? Okay. Now we have 10 pictures of 10 women. Now we can sign up to the app. Or create 10 different accounts. This is going to be an effort, isn't it? Okay, sign out. Let's just do this. I'm going to have to come up with 10 different phone numbers that I can use. Actually, I realize I don't think it matters if I show you because you won't be able to log into the app anyway. Okay. Copy that. Then we'll go here. I just find it easier to be here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equals. I'm going to shut up now. All right, now we have a bunch of phone numbers that we can paste into here. Good. Save. No, we don't need to save actually. But we need to go make sure that we've set that up properly. Okay. Create account. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send code. It's not a valid phone number. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh, I didn't save it, that's why. Okay, now I can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send code. And then and then we'll go. What is a woman named Anna? Woman interested in men. Location. Next. Nothing. Okay, we've created that one. Now we'll sign out. Create account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll try it on this one. Sign in and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this might work now. So what's another name? Sophie. And then we'll pick that one. Next. My identity is a woman. I'm interested in men. So now we'll try to log out. Create account. No, we still get logged back into this freaking thing. Why does that happen? Jolie. I'm not really sure what is happening now, but we're gonna have to try it. Okay, at least we have this account. So now create an account. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Send code. No, we still freaking have it. Why? Why is that the case? Okay. Sometimes when I write to these models, I don't know if like it feels like the less you say sometimes is a good thing, because then there's not much to like interpret and they can just like go off of this is what you want. But then sometimes it also feels like maybe you're not giving enough context so that it doesn't understand like what you actually mean. So now I wrote something really short, but I do think I know what the actual issue is, and I think it's not too difficult for it to understand it. So I hope it will grasp what I was trying to get. And while I remember, I will update this. What's a name? Tanya. Is that how you would spell that? I don't know. And she would have this profile picture. I'm a woman. I don't know why I narrate the same things over and over. Actually, let's put something real. No, we don't really have to. Okay. What is going on? What is happening? All right. Okay, something is happening. sign out. No, okay, now it doesn't auto-populate, so that's good. Sarah. Good. Change that to 10. Save it. Alright, git status. Git. Okay, let's continue. Felicity. I'm just typing in like one letter of the alphabet and I'm trying to think of like what is a name on this letter. Catherine Zeta-Jones. Let's have a look. I think we've gone through all of the profiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus another one. So we have 10. So we do have 10 users, which is nice. Users, 10 users. Okay. Then we will reset all the users. And then we'll go to Claude. So I'm trying to think, like, how do we do this in the best way? Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 users. So what we want to do is we want to add all of them to the wait list. I guess we can just do that. Wait list. Let's try. Okay, now we've added a lot of users to the wait list. So now what we can try, if we want to. Actually, I don't want to. I'm just kidding. Okay, so yeah, we'll start a connection, and what should happen is we should get connected with someone. I don't know if this is going to work. Seems like it didn't. Okay, didn't work. We can check the edge function just to see if there's an error or something. There's no errors, which means that they aren't in the wait list, or something is going on with that. We have one user in the wait list. What? Okay. So that might be the case, or the reason. I can just change that here. I don't know why I always... Okay, so they've been added now to the wait list. If I start a new connection, do I get connected to them? No. Okay, now I do get connected. So now I'm connected to Tanya, and now we're going to skip to the next person. Skip just to see if we do get connected to someone else. We do get connected to Sarah, and we skip to the next person. Catherine, so that's 3. 4. What if I leave? And then I start connection. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That's really good. That means that we do get connected. So now let's try the reset users. And add test users to waitlist. Run that again. We'll see what the waitlist looks like. Okay, we're going to see what happens if we just add them to this query. I'm going to have to stop the video now, but I've basically added them to the wait list. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait a few hours, and then I'm going to open the app on my phone and try to join the matchmaking thing. And we'll see if I do get connected to these users. That means that we can send the app in for review, and he will be able to connect with users. But if not, then we need to figure out a way to handle like because I have heartbeats and things like that to kind of manage if people are online or not. And for these users, they will be, we'll need to deal with that somehow. And I don't really know what the best way is to deal with it. But Claude suggested an edge function that basically cleans up that stuff, or like changes it for the time being so that they can test the app, and then we'll see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.